Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Netflix account. For that, just open your app and then tap on your Netflix and then tap on create Netflix account and more and tap on that and tap on continue button, and it will take you there, and then it will take you to their official site and tap on create Netflix account button. You'll have to enter your email address over here, and now it will send you a verification code on your Gmail. For that, tap on that and it will send you a link on your Gmail. Go and check your and then you need to tap on create your link button and select your Google browser. And after verifying, what you need to do is tap on this finish sign up button, and now it will ask you to choose your plan. So tap on next button, and after choosing your plan, tap on next button and it will ask you to select payment method. After selecting your payment method, fill in your details, and after that after that you need to create a strong password, and that is how you can sign up into your Netflix account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.